Sustainable Solutions is excited to introduce a brand new addition to the fluid valve family. This means that we will now have two-way diverting valves to choose from. This video will explain the features and functionality of our new valve and compare it to our existing two-way valve to help you choose the best one for your installation. This is our latest addition. The F1002B is a fluid, single-handle, two-way diverting pressure balancing valve. The single handle creates a cleaner, minimalist design. It's suitable for ADA and universal design requirements. It's crafted from forged brass. It features a heavy-duty ceramic cartridge, and the F1002B will work in back-to-back installations. Finally, the F1002B valve and trims are priced just a little bit lower than our F1012B. Just like the rest of our pressure balancing valves, the F1002B will work with all of our fluid trim series. This new valve works just a little bit differently than our F1012B valve, so let's go over how they both work. With the F1002B valve, the single handle controls both the temperature and diverts the water from one shower component to another. To direct the water to one component, in this case to the shower head, you would turn the handle to the right. The further you turn the handle, the warmer the water will get. To divert water to the second component, in this case a tub spout, you would turn the handle to the left. Again, the further you move the handle, the warmer the water. Each time you divert the water, you reset the temperature. There's no volume control with this valve. It's all on or all off. To turn the shower off, you move the handle back down to the starting position, pointing straight down. To use our original two-way diverting valve, the F1012B, you would pull the large handle out to turn the water on and off and to control the water volume, and then you turn that large handle to the left for warmer water and to the right for cooler water. You would then turn that small diverting handle to direct the water. In this case, the water is diverted to the tub spout. We can then divert water to the shower head simply by turning that diverter handle to the other side, and then back again to the tub spout, all without having to adjust the water temperature. So now we have two great two-way diverting valves. Both are crafted from forged brass, they have the same lifetime warranty, and both do an excellent job diverting water to two shower components. So how do you choose which one you want? It's both a matter of preference for style and functionality and system requirements, like if you require ADA or back-to-back installations. Both work very well, but it's good to understand how you want your shower to function and to look before making a decision. When looking through the fluid catalog, it's easy to determine which valve is being used in any one of our two-way shower systems. There's three indicators. The first is to look for those icons. The half circle icon indicates an F1002B, while the two-prong icon indicates the F1012B. Next, you can look at the image. An F1012B valve, of course, features two handles. So as an example, this Wisdom F282202T trim kit shows a two-handle trim kit. So you know it uses the F1012B valve. This Wisdom 284108T trim kit features a single handle valve. So you know it's an F1002B valve. And finally, the number itself indicates the valve. The first two numbers of all of our fluid shower kits indicate the series. So in this case, it's a 28, which indicates a Wisdom kit. The third digit indicates the valve being used. In this case, the shower kit is an F282202T. So the third digit is the number 2, which indicates an F1012B valve. The Wisdom 284108T uses a 4 as the third digit. This indicates that an F1002B valve is being used. The numbering logic for our shower valves is reviewed in more detail in our How to Use the New Fluid catalog videos and in the FAQs listed on our website. So, to summarize, Fluid now offers two great two-way pressure balancing valve options. The F1002B has a single handle, is ADA and universal design friendly, features a clean, minimalist design, requires you to reset the temperature each time you divert the water, has a lower price point, does not have volume control, it's all on or all off, and allows you to do back-to-back installations. The F1012B valve has two handles, does have volume control, and once set, the temperature stays the same. There's no need to reset each time you divert the water. It's not ADA compliant, and it does feature a turning diverter handle. So, two great products. The choice is yours. If you have any questions about the F1002B or any of our products, please give us a call at 1 800 460 7019. We'd love to hear from you.